Hi students. Now, listen, just to finish off that series I've been doing on multi-category tags, legends, and type marks. I'm on my ground floor plan here, and we might need a couple of interior partition type walls. So I've created one here, which I've designated type marker being wall type 02. And you can see that this is a steel stud partition. Okay, plasterboard and skin finish, internal walls, 100 by 44 steel studs at 400 centers. Okay, and I've given it an assembly code and a type mark here. Now, I'm going to do this one more because there is a possibility that you'll need another particular wall type here. And in this case, what I'm going to do is, again, it's going to be an interior partition, but it's going to be a block partition. So I'm picking this one here. I'm going to go edit type. I'm going to duplicate here. And I'll put the little our tag. This will be wall type 03. Okay. And again, you can see that there is a note here, but it's in the comments. I don't want it in the comments, so I'm going to control exit. I'm going to put it into the description here. That's fine. Okay, in the comments, I'm going to put master finish, and that will be for our elevation note in the assembly code. Let's go ahead and do that. So these are going to be interiors, interior construction, partitions, fixed partitions, and it'll be CMU. Okay, is there a CMU with a drywall with a plaster finish here? I don't see it. Okay, so CMU. And then in the type mark, this is obviously going to be wall capital T underscore 03. All right, now I'm going to take that note, control C it here now, and go OK. So I want to get this into my my wall elements schedule here. All right, now let's go down to our families here into walls, and what I'm looking for is my partition here, and you'll notice that tends to come in plan wise, but I can go over to the properties here and change that to section, and I'll just add across a little bit here and get these nicely lined up. Right, okay, so I'm going to create my annotation. I'm going to create a text note here. I'm going to make sure it's 2 mil text. Okay, that's great. On in there, and I know that this is wall underscore 03. Hit the return button, control V, and I'll put the note in there. Now, so you can see I've got that's all worked out very well. And if I go back now to my plans on the sheet, you'll notice now that legend has been updated. So wherever that legend occurs, that'll be updated there. So I'm starting to assemble this sheet quite well now. I've got my floor elements here, my wall elements. You might need a new legend for roof elements or something like that as well. So leave space for that too. And I'm comfortably fitting on, at a scale of 1:125, my ground floor plan and my first floor plan here. And you'll notice here now that I can jump in at any point. I can activate that view. I can go into my multi-category type mark only, and I can start tagging all of these wall types along the way here. Okay, now so that's basically how you're going to organize your the information on this project here.